from the Stockage research team. So today I'll take you through the premium analytics segments, fundamental aspects, as well as somewhat about, we'll also discuss about SME zone edge insights, and then wrap the session by understanding the mutual fund segment. In mid of this, we will also go into the social platform to understand how we can place queries in the respective clubs, what all clubs are there in the social platform, and where you can find the recording of today's session. All right. So once again, good evening and welcome to today's session. So to begin with, let's start with the investment idea segment under the premium analytics of our app. So सबसे पहले हम लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज में जाएंगे. So here हम लोग को एक लिस्ट ऑफ स्टॉक्स मिलता है. Now the first question that comes in our mind कि यहाँ पे क्या हमें निफ्टी 50 या निफ्टी 500 के सारे स्टॉक्स मिलेंगे? So the answer to this is no. हमारा जो रिसर्च टीम है, we sit and on suo motu basis we decide upon which companies like there is potential for the long term and on which we should make our coverage. Correct? So यहाँ पे वो curated list of investment ideas मिलते हैं. Second, as the name suggests, investment ideas. So this is not for short or medium term purpose. The time horizon for this is 2 to 3 years, more than 2 to 3 years, right? So सबसे पहले हम लोग को यहाँ पे मिलता है the name of the company. Now the order is the order in which this is arranged is the minimum of this gap. मिनिमम गैप होने से यहाँ पे वो जो स्टॉक है वो ऊपर आएगा. सो व्हाट इज गैप, वी विल कम टू इट अ लिटिल लेटर. सो सबसे पहले हम लोग को ये नेम दिखता है, तो आज में ये है नारायण हृदयालय एंड यहाँ पे आपको एक पीडीएफ का एक आइकन मिलेगा. सो इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दैट, दिस टेक्स मी टू द रिपोर्ट, द केस स्टडी रिपोर्ट. यहाँ पे अ लिटिल बिट सिनॉप्सिस, एंड वंस वी व्यू ऑन दिस रिपोर्ट, we get to see the entire case study on Narayan Hridayalaya. Now, the third question that comes is, यहाँ पे क्या सिर्फ financials हम लोग cover करते हैं इस particular company के, या qualitative aspects भी cover होते हैं? So to answer it, yes, we cover both the financial as well as the qualitative aspects of any company that has been taken under the case study coverage. So here what we get to see is, the first is about the company, then the various mix, geography wise and specialty, what all the treatments that they provide, then other certain operational parameters. Now comes the growth parameter. Like if you see, the entire case study is broken into few segments and one such segment is growth. So growth में हमको देखने को मिलेगा sales growth, EBITDA growth and PAT growth. And what we do is, we judge the company on these parameters, on these growth parameters, keeping in view its historical performance, its present performance, and what we feel, or what this analyst who has covered this particular company feels कि future में इसका growth कैसे रहेगा. And after studying all these three aspects, we give it a score out of 5. So out of 5, we feel that Narayan Hridayalaya on the parameter of growth should be given a 4 out of 5. Okay, clear till here? All right. Now, this other parameters are, which we want to see is, then comes the profitability, where we check the margins, then the return metrics. Again, we give it a score. Then we have the efficiency, where we judge the cash flow performance of the company, the working capital cycle, free cash flows, asset turn of the company. And then we have the solvency. Now, solvency talks about the debt profile of the company, whether the company is in a generating enough operating profit to cover its interest coverage or the interest obligations. Then we have current ratio, where we check the current assets to current liabilities, as well as the cash balance of the company. So here again, we give it a 4. So these are all the financial metrics where we are judging the company. Then the valuation part. How is the PE doing? The dividend yield and the key levels. Now, the key levels में आप यहाँ देखेंगे, यहाँ पे आपको एक zone बताया गया है. This would act as a strong base, right? Now, before moving ahead, I'll just show and then I'll explain the zones. The zone वहां पे जो केस स्टडी में मेंशन है, दिस इज सिंपली कैप्चर्ड बाय द एआई. जो ग्रीन जोन आपको यहाँ पे देख रहा है, लाइक यू आर गेटिंग टू सी, दैट इज 1175 to 1075. सो ये जो रेंज है मेंशन्ड है, दैट इज गेटिंग कैप्चर्ड हियर इन दिस ग्रीन बैंड. ऑलराइट, सो यहाँ पे हम लोग उसको कैप्चर कर रहे हैं. नाउ व्हाट दैट ग्रीन बैंड विल बी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट इन seconds time. Then comes the quality aspect of the company. Now, the quality aspect includes management, the shareholding pattern, sectoral potential, जिसमें ये company है उस sector का performance कैसा है, the competitive landscape, company vis-a-vis its peers, and the future outlook. After doing all this, we come to a conclusion that this company should be given it a 23 total grade of 23 out of total 30. And we consider anything above 20 to be an investable idea. So हम इस टाइम होराइजन को थोड़ा सा बढ़ा लेंगे. एंड यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं जो ग्रीन बैंड के बारे में हम बोल रहे थे, इट इज नथिंग, इट इज एन एक्यूमुलेशन जोन. हम लोग कहते हैं सिंस इट्स लॉन्ग टर्म पर्पस, जब भी कंपनी का शेयर प्राइस, इस स्टॉक प्राइस इस लेवल पे आएगा, सो इट कैन बी ए गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्यूमुलेट. ठीक है, you can accumulate and you can keep it for long-term purpose. All these case studies are updated on quarterly basis. And आप यहाँ नीचे में देखेंगे ये येलो कलर के जो सर्कल्स हैं, these are nothing but the total grades. यहाँ पे जैसे वहां पे हम लोग देखे थे 23, and these are all upgraded from time to time or even downgraded as and when the analyst or the team feels like, right? Now I'll just show the, if possible, आज green red कहीं पे, yeah. So Balkrishna Industries में आप देखेंगे the number is written in red. Why is it so? Let's have a look. So हम देखेंगे कि I'll just increase the time frame. This particular company is trading near the upper band. Now upper band talks about a zone where the investor needs to be a little bit cautious. In the sense, इस zone के बाद एक correction आ सकता है, right? And so the investor, keeping in view their risk appetite, can either go for partial booking, can be keep a cautious stance, or may also take a full exit. But again, since these are investable ideas, so we ask the investors that you can prefer to keep it for a longer horizon of time. So to generate a good amount of return. I'll just take a how to identify this zone. In the sense, can you just elaborate, Rohan Gupta sir, can you just elaborate your question? So again, again, we understand that the green zone where we need to be, we can start accumulating, and the red zones is where we have to be a little cautious, keeping in view our risk appetite. We can either be go for partial exit, or we can go for full exit, or we can continue to maintain for long-term purpose. Okay, so it was for the previous graph, fine. I hope I have been able to explain the zones, the green and the red zones. If not, then please ask question on the same. I'll explain it again. All right, I'll move forward. So हम यहाँ पे zone के बारे में हम लोग समझ लिए. Now comes what is this spider chart? Again, spider chart is nothing इट इज दी पैरामीटर वाइज जो हम लोग पॉइंट्स दिए हैं उसका यहाँ पे पिक्टोरल ग्राफ डिपिक्ट करता है. So you get to see growth में 4, profitability 4, efficiency 3. So you get to see the entire breakup of the parameter wise the grades. Then comes the key level and LTP, उसके बीच में gap. Now what is key level? Again we'll go back, flip to the case study. So यहाँ पे की लेवल मेंशन था जोन ऑफ 1075 to 1175. 1175 के पास में नारायण हृदयालय का स्टॉक अभी ट्रेड कर रहा है, राइट. 1175 अभी ये ट्रेड किया था 1174.80. एंड अगर हम इस गैप को कैलकुलेट करें, गैप इज व्हाट, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन की लेवल and LTP, it comes down to 0.02%, the lowest among all in this particular in the total. So that's why it's showing here 0.02, right? I'll take few questions. No, sir, Rohan sir, you don't have to plot the zone. It is done automatically. I'll explain once again that I'll just see your question once again. It is AI generated in the sense that this gets reflected in the zone. The valuation done by the team, this particular valuation which is done internally by the team, that gets reflected in the zone. Okay? Fine. So as the name suggests, investment ideas, these are for a time horizon of 2 to 3 years or more than that. Right? So I'll just explain once again. I'll take the example of Balkrishna Industries. So यहाँ पे हम लोग को दो जोन देखने को मिल रहा है, एक रेड एंड एक ग्रीन, राइट. अगर हम इसके केस स्टडी में जाएंगे उसके वैल्यूएशन सेगमेंट में, तो हमें दिखेगा कि द एनालिस्ट हैज सजेस्टेड कि you know the accumulation zone for this particular company is somewhere between 1900 to 2100, and whenever the stock price reaches 3100 to 3300, you got to be like, there can be a distribution coming in here, and you got to be cautious depending upon the investor's risk appetite and depending upon what he or feel thinks that this company has the potential or not. He can either be cautious or he can go for partial exit or make completely exit depending upon his or her preference and the risk appetite. So for the indicator swing, you know, technical analyst will help you with the same with the charts. Okay, so here I've been able to explain, I think, investment ideas. If any questions pertaining to investment ideas, I'll take a second's pause to see if any questions are there. Otherwise, I'll move forward. Okay, so like since I think more or less it's understood by all, so let's move forward. The next comes, just like case study, we have other sets of reports too, which are you know, published by the research team. So let's have a look at those reports, which comes under the heading Edge Reports. So here आप टैब पे जाके इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. The first one is case study, जिसके बारे में हम लोग ने अभी देखा. The second one comes the con call. So con call के बारे में, that every quarter during earnings season, the management team interacts with the analyst, and that is where we get to know how the company has performed. what are the concerns, where the analysts feel what are the concerns or the opportunities that are there in the company, and what are their management stance. We get to have a sense on all those the areas when we listen to the con call. But the point is we lack time. Second is it's usually 1 hour long, so we don't get time. The hours are not that flexible. Then even if the transcript comes out, it takes time for the transcript to come out, and those transcripts are bare minimum 15-16 pages long, and sometimes even 20 to 30 page long, so we don't have that time. So what our research team has done is we listen to those con calls and we capture in a very comprehensive manner the major pointers that is likely to have a bearing or had a bearing on the company's performance, both in positive as well as negative angle. So we capture that and we present in a very comprehensive manner in the con call summary report. Now you see here we have Lemon Tree con call report, जहाँ पे quarterly results discuss किए गए हैं, business highlights discuss किए गए हैं, certain updates है और उसका future update, future outlook है, right? सो आपको 3-4 पेज में आराम से आपको उस कंपनी के कॉन कॉल के जो मेजर हाइलाइट्स है वो कवर किए हुए मिलते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज अबाउट द कॉन कॉल. Date of report, any date of report, it is all arranged as per the date, latest date, be it case study or con call. I'll just show once. I'll go to the all tabs and आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे सारा लेटेस्ट डेट के अकॉर्डिंगली अरेंज्ड है, ठीक है? अगर आप केस स्टडी में भी जाएंगे तो आप देखेंगे डेट वाइज अरेंज्ड है, करेक्ट? सो हमने ये कॉन कॉल के बारे में, कॉन कॉल रिपोर्ट के बारे में देखा. नाउ लेट्स गो टू वन ऑफ द मेजर एंड इंपॉर्टेंट वन विच आई फील इज आईपीओ नोट. ना जब भी कोई आईपीओ होता है तो इधर वी हैव टू कोलेट डेटा फ्रॉम वेरियस सोर्सेस जो हमें ऑनलाइन मिलती है, अदरवाइज हमें उसका कंपनी का डीआरएचपी पढ़ना पड़ता है. नाउ डीआरएचपी अगेन थोड़ा सा कम्बरसम होता है, देखना मुश्किल हो जाता है, एंड मेजर हाइलाइट्स को कोलेट करना भी थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज we have prepared a very comprehensive and a very like amazing report on IPO. So let's have a look on the IPO reports. So if you click here, it'll take us to the IPO report. Here a little bit detail about the same is present. Then you get a centimeter here, whether we feel that this particular IPO is poor, good, average or excellent. Now moment you click here, you get to see the entire report. The first one comes is overview, where it talks about what this company is into, उसका financial थोड़ा बहुत highlights, issue size और issue details. मतलब यहाँ पे overview में आपको एक summary मिलेगा इस particular IPO का. Then about the company, उसके various mix जो है, sector जहाँ पे ये का perform कर रही है उस particular sector का कैसा outlook है. Then important factor ki how this particular company is vis-a-vis its other players in the market, right? So आपको competitive land view भी मिल जाता है. Object क्या है कि object in the sense कि इस जो amount of money or the proceeds that the company is going to raise from the market, उसका utilization कैसे होगा, यहाँ पे ये mentioned है. Then the promoters background plus अगर आप यहाँ पे नीचे देखोगे, यहाँ पे आपको प्रोमोटर्स प्री एंड पोस्ट इशू भी मिलेगा कि उन लोग का कैसा शेयर होल्डिंग रहेगा. देन व्हाट आर द रिस्क टू कंसिडर इफ वी वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर आईपीओ. Statement of profit and loss and liabilities, which talks about the financials. Again, the cash flow. And here you get a small SWOT done for this particular company. Right? The strengths are highlighted, the opportunities, the threat, and the weaknesses are highlighted. And here, the entire timeline. So it makes your work a lot more easier. So you don't have to skip from one side to the other. Everything is there under one report. Right? So I'll just see a few questions are there. How? how to read the stocks to watch. Stocks to watch, I think it pertains to the technical team. So they will be the ones who will be able to answer your queries in a better way. Today's session is more skewed towards the fundamentals. So now the second question is, can we have a review on IPO post listing? Yeah, sure. I'll explain where you can review up IPO post listing, what platform you can post your query on the fundamental club in the social platform, StockEdge social platform, and we will always guide you what to do and what not to do. All right. So now we are done with the ConCall Edge report. Now we will focus on infographics. Now here in infographic, this is a combination of both technical as well as fundamental. ठीक है? So हम लोग यहाँ पे फिलहाल के लिए fundamental पे focus करेंगे. So the first हम लोग को मिलता है यहाँ पे major housing finance company with high loan book as on 31st March 2024. So यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा infographic है and it जिसमें सिर्फ हाईलाइट किया गया है कौन कौन से मेजर हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी है जिसका लोन बुक प्रिटी हाई है, राइट. सो यहाँ पे हमको मिलता है LIC हाउसिंग फाइनेंस, हटको है, PNB है. सो एक स्नैपशॉट में वी गेट टू हैव एन आइडिया कि व्हाट इज व्हाट, राइट. सिमिलरली अगर हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे अदर वन इज MON change in sales of major automobile companies. Again, VSC Tillers, Escort, Kubota. So यहाँ पे वो परसेंटेज चेंज और अप्रैल में क्या था एंड मई में क्या हुआ है, सो हम लोग को एक स्नैपशॉट मिल जाता है. So here most of edge reports are completed. Stock to watch, it's all technicals. So sorry, I won't be able to discuss on this. So with this, let's move ahead. I'll again take a pause for a 2 or 3 seconds to see if there are any questions pertaining to edge reports. If not, then I'll move forward. All right. So since no questions, so I'll move forward. So we are done with investment ideas. We are done with edge reports. Now let's move to something called company filings. So company filings क्या है? So जब भी कंपनी कोई भी अनाउंसमेंट लाती है या कुछ भी उसमें होता है, it has to inform the exchanges on which it is listed, right? So it can pertain to anything. So to cut down that noise, and there are a lot of filings which comes out. So to cut down that noise, what we have done is we have segregated all those filings under certain heads. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आपको देखने मिलेगा, the first one is acquisition, second is annual report, फिर bonus है, buyback है. So यहाँ पे the acquisition में हम लोग अगर focus करते हैं, the first one, it means कि जो entire universe of stocks that are there in the listed market, उस कंपनीज में कुछ भी होता है pertaining to stock acquisition, we can find out in this particular under this particular tab, and all those are arranged date wise, right? So अगर हम लोग उसमें जाएंगे तो first one is आज 4th of June 2024 वाकरांजी में कुछ हुआ है. What it has acquired, एक snapshot आपको मिलेगा, 48.5 equity stake in Vortex Engineering, right? और अगर हम यहाँ पे एक PDF आइकन है, अगर उसमें हम क्लिक करेंगे, it will directly take me to that filing. और हमें विदाउट एनी हासिल और विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम हम आराम से वो प्रेस रिलीज को हम देख सकते हैं, राइट. से सपोज अगर हमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं है एक्विजिशन में, आई वांट टू सी कि कौन कौन से कंपनीज में एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स आ गए हैं, राइट. सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन योर एंड हमें फर्स्ट मिलेगा कि सोना BLW में एनुअल रिपोर्ट आ गया है. सागर सेगमेंट्स या BN राठी सिक्योरिटीज, इसके सारे एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स आ गए हैं, करेक्ट. नाउ से सपोज मुझे इतना सारा भी नहीं चाहिए, आई डोंट वांट कि मुझे पूरा ये लिस्ट दिखे. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज, आप देखेंगे आई हैव स्टार मार्क. हाउ आई कैन स्टार मार्क? सिंपली बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस स्टार. सो वंस आई क्लिक ऑन दिस स्टार, दिस एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग जिसमें मैंने क्लिक किया है, दैट गेट्स एडेड टू माय कंपनी फाइलिंग. नाउ वेयर कैन आई फाइंड माय कंपनी फाइलिंग? सिंपली अगर आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हम लोग फोकस करेंगे, सो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड जस्ट बिलो म्यूचुअल फंड्स हमें दिखेगा माय स्टॉकेज, हम वहां पे क्लिक करेंगे। ये आपको ब्लू कलर का माइक मिलेगा, आइकन, वहां पे लिखा हुआ है माय कंपनी फाइलिंग्स। लेट्स क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड यू विल गेट ऑल द कैटेगरीज दैट हैज बीन स्टार मार्क्ड बाय मी, राइट? बीट एक्विजिशन, एजीएम, एनुअल रिपोर्ट, वो हमें मिल जाएगा। नाउ से सपोज अगर मुझे कोई इसमें से डिलीट करना है, आई सिंपली स्ट्राइक इट ऑफ। एंड अगर मुझे कोई कैटेगरी ऐड करना है, आई सिंपली ऐड टू कैटेगरीज। यहाँ पे पूरे मुझे सारा लिस्ट मिल जाएगा। से आई वांट टू ऐड बाय बैक, आई स्टार मार्क एंड इट गेट्स एडेड टू माय कंपनी लिस्ट। एंड अगर मैं फाइलिंग्स में जाऊंगी तो जितने भी मैंने स्टार मार्क किए हैं, जितने भी कंपनी फाइलिंग्स को, उसके सारे रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन या फाइलिंग्स मुझे यहाँ पे एंटायर लिस्ट मिल जाएगा, राइट? ऑल राइट। So as Gautam Srivastav sir, anything above 20 is an investable idea. So you can consider anything above 20 to be a good recommendation for long-term investment purpose. How can we use it for Gaurav sir, can you, like, what you are talking about, which parameter, like which case study or con call or what? Okay, company filings, right? Say suppose you want to, whenever there is any acquisition, or say whenever there is a buyback, or say corporate action, before in corporate action there is like the stocks some most of the time sees a surge in their price, right? And after every corporate action, major corporate action, there is a correction. So you are well informed, you can take advantage of, say, buyback, where you can add or you can take advantage of, say, special dividends that are like declared by the companies. So all this you can take advantage of. Then we have, say, acquisitions. So you can keep yourself abreast of understanding which companies acquiring what particular company in what like segment, whether like a little bit understanding is required. So you can always take help from us ki whether a particular, say suppose ABC Limited is getting in acquiring some other company XYZ. So you need to understand ki whether that will have any synergistic benefit or not. So for that, you may take help from us and we'll definitely guide you on the same. So in this way, you can take help of the company filings, right? Again, whenever there is like appointment or change in key personnel, we have seen that whenever a key person has moved from one company to other, sometimes there has share prices has taken a up move or a down move. So also these things matter, and so company filings forms a very important part of your like your investment theme or idea. Yeah, there is capex is there. I'll just show. Uh, it's there. I'm may not putting the right word right now, but capacity addition is there. Capacity is there. All right. So let's move forward. And once we are done with this company filing, now this was on a like overall company filing. लेकिन अगर अभी मुझे स्पेसिफिक किसी कंपनी के फाइलिंग्स में जाना है, से सपोज अगर कोरोमंडल हो गया या ब्रिटानिया हो गया, या से सपोज अभी जो हम लोग वाकरांची देखें उसके स्पेसिफिक कंपनी के फाइलिंग्स में जाना है, सो हाउ टू डू अबाउट, राइट? सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज, हम लोग यहाँ पे टाइप करेंगे वाकरांची, वाकरांची आ गया। नाउ आप डिलीवरीज के बगल में एंड जस्ट बिफोर एज रिपोर्ट्स यू गेट दिस अपडेट सेगमेंट, राइट? यू क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड अनाउंसमेंट में आप जाओगे, सो यू गेट द एंटायर फाइलिंग्स that has been made by the company segregated date wise. Now if you want to cut down the noise, यहाँ पे आपका filter का option है, आप easily filter out कर सकते हो according to your requirement. Say suppose मुझे जानना है कि इस कंपनी में dividend देगा है कि नहीं. So 15 July 2023, though a year back, there was something pertaining to dividend, right? So I get to know what was it all about just by clicking on this PDF. So this is how you can check the company filings, company specific wise. Okay, I'll let no capex. All right. Now this is done. Now let's focus on investment theme. Now, what is investment theme? So they are narratives on which the like in the market or in the industry, which gives traction or give movement to certain stocks or certain industry. And what we do is we capture those narratives and we collate these stocks which are going to benefit or which are going to get impacted by those narratives. So here you get to see the list of all such important narratives which we think that it can work as an investment theme, and we identify the stocks under it and we help you. Say suppose if somebody wants to know कि अगर electric vehicles से which all company stands to benefit, right? So यहाँ आप type करेंगे electric vehicle आया, we'll go in it. A little bit synopsis, what about everything is mentioned here, the intro part. Now post understanding the theme, we'll go to the stock segment. Here a curated list of stocks are there, right? And so we get to see which all stocks is likely to get impacted by this, like likely to have a bearing with this particular theme. So the first one is Mahindra and Mahindra, then Bajaj Auto, Tata Power, Tata Lexi, Sona BLW, Amara Raja Battery. Now below every company, you get to see this read more option. So you moment you click on that, you get to see number one, the relationship, the description, and last comes the impact. Now, what impact this theme will have with this particular company? So here Mahindra and Mahindra has a positive impact. That means if there is boom in this particular theme stated electric vehicle, then Mahindra and Mahindra is likely to benefit out of the same. And if we check, we can also check the performance. Say I'll go 6 months back and I'll check all the performance of all these stocks that are there listed under this theme. And we get to see that all these companies have performed like in a very steady manner and they have generated a good set of returns, right? So you can also toggle and see how they perform on a 3-month basis or say 1-month basis. So we have a timeline toggle here also. So that Maruti is not listed, that depends upon the research team. So I won't be able to comment on that. So all the companies here are listed on sumo moto basis decided by the internal research team. Okay, here was I talked about one particular theme that was electric vehicle. Now say suppose here we have another theme, wedding. And I'll just skip one portion. You get to see the number of stocks that are there under each category. So it varies from theme to theme. So you go to wedding. So a little bit about the wedding theme. Then you get to see the stocks. A list of stocks are there. And again, if we check the performance, we get to check the performance here also. So this is the theme portion. No, I don't think so. We do have a score of 30 on any of the investment theme stock. I mean, investment idea stock. All right. So this was about the theme. Then we come to the investor portfolio. Now, investor portfolio here, what it talks about is we curate or we list out all the ACE investors, both on individual as well as institutional wise, their portfolio holdings, and we also provide in which sector or in which capitalization wise they have the major holding into, what are the changes. So this is all listed out here. See, suppose the first one is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Associates. So the first thing you get to see is the number of holdings, right? And the estimated amount of that holding. So it stands about near about 44,000 crore, right? And here you get to see 3-month basis में, which has been the best performer. तो यहाँ हमको देखने को मिलता है कि Escorts Kubota has been the best performer in last 3 months with a return of 33.9%. So similarly, वैसे ही आपको सारे ACE investors के list मिलेंगे with their number of holdings and estimated holding का value, right? तो अगर हम इसमें click करते हैं, so the first page you get to see a snapshot. Now the snapshot, it talks about the estimated holding and the companies that are there. Then the highest shareholding किसमें है इस portfolio का, highest holding किसमें है, that is Aptech with 44.32%. Then comes the sector allocation. कौन से sector में सबसे ज़्यादा money गया हुआ है? So here we get to see is diamond and jewelry has the highest exposure, and market cap wise is large cap. A little bit of information on the same, and then let's hop into the shareholding one. So here you get to see the entire list of his holdings, right? And all these gets updated every quarter. This is the last quarter, and with the percentages. So this is what the portfolio of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala looks like. Then comes the key changes. Now the changes is, it talks about कि कहाँ पे addition हुआ है, कहाँ पे deletion हुआ है, right? So the first one, the last transaction that had happened was on 24th April in Karur Vysya Bank, and there has been a decline in the stake from 4.62 last quarter, और अभी it is 4.33. So here आपको पूरा list मिल जाएगा. Again, if you want to see the gainers 3-month wise या 1 week wise, and who are the losers also, वो भी list आपको मिल जाएगा, right? This was about investor portfolio. Say suppose अगर हम विजय केडिया का देखेंगे, so यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि market allocation पूरा का पूरा small cap में है, with no exposure in large cap or mid cap, and telecom has the highest exposure sector allocation wise, right? All right. How frequent it gets updated, like by EOD, every portfolio, whenever there is a change, it gets updated EOD. So you'll I'll show it once again. Say suppose we go to Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's portfolio and the key changes portion, you see it is all updated date wise. 24th April, 22nd April को कुछ था, फिर 20th April, तो ये सारा date wise होता है. EOD update हो जाता है, and here this particular page, this gets updated every quarter. All right. Now all this are done. So before moving ahead, I'll just show how you can post your queries in the social platform and where you can find the recordings of webinars, right? And today's session. सो आप अगर स्टॉकेज वेब के प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो, आपको यहाँ पे ये 9 बॉक्सेस मिलेंगे. सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड द सेकंड ऑप्शन दैट यू गेट टू सी इज स्टॉकेज सोशल. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स फोकस ऑन आवर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. अगर हम लोग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में फोकस करेंगे तो यहाँ हमको देखने को मिलेगा द वेरियस क्लब्स दैट आर देयर. द फर्स्ट टू आर stock ideas and the rest are for doubt solving. Now as the name suggests, the first one is investing ideas. So यहाँ पे mostly this pertains to fundamentals and trading ideas में आपको short term and medium term के लिए trading purpose के लिए ideas मिल जाएंगे. So let's pop into this investing ideas and let's have a look. So यहाँ पे various experts, some in-house experts and some outside experts, they put out their views that are listed here, so you can easily find them. You can also find the case studies also here and as well as the other edge reports that I have shown. So case study आप कैसे find करेंगे? Simply आप यहाँ पे hashtag देंगे, case study लिखेंगे. And then यहाँ पे आप investing ideas, फिर add to search and then search. So देखिए आपको सारे केस स्टडी रिपोर्ट्स यहां मिल जाएंगे, राइट. सिमिलरली हम कॉन कॉल रिपोर्ट्स कैसे सर्च करेंगे? अगेन हैशटैग कॉन कॉल एंड दिस टाइम अगेन just add to search and then here instead of investing ideas it will be fundamental club एंड आपको सारे कॉन कॉल समरीज मिल जाएंगे, राइट. All right. Now we will, this is what about was the investing idea segment. Trading I'll show, but I won't speak on it because I'm not the relevant person. So यहाँ पे trading ideas के लिए भी है experts जो views देते हैं chart पे, in-house experts. So you get to see short term and medium term के लिए trading ideas. Then we will come to the fundamental club. Now say suppose आपको कोई भी टॉपिक पे, कोई भी कंपनी पे या कोई भी सेक्टर पे कोई क्वेश्चन या व्यू मांगना है. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू पुट इट? यहाँ पे आपको ये टैब दिख रहा है स्टार्ट अ डिस्कशन इन फंडामेंटल क्लास. सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दिस. उसके बाद व्हाट आई विल डू इज व्यू ऑन, say suppose I'll ask on Britannia Industries. So the trick here is before writing Britannia, we will just tag it with a $sign. Hashtag name $sign. And we'll write Britannia. Once we do that, यहाँ से एक drop box आएगा and click on it. बस and click on post. Here we get to see your requirement and based on that, the analyst reverts to it. And within the 48 hours of your posting the query, we revert to your query requirement, right? Now say suppose this was company specific where we provide a detailed SWOT analysis. Now say suppose I want a specific query. Say team, sorry. Help understand the impact of various corporate action. Right? So you can post questions like this also कि corporate actions का stock price पे क्या impact होगा. Again, we revert to it and within the next 48 hours, your query gets resolved. Same goes with the technical FNO. Technical club, the revert time is within 5 minutes, or and rest all again. Mutual fund, again it's 48 hours. Mutual fund related कोई भी आपकी queries हो, so आप यहाँ पे post कर सकते हो, and the relevant expert will revert to it, right? See, all the mutual fund related questions can be put out here. Now comes to the recording segment. तो recording के लिए आप सिर्फ यहाँ पे type करेंगे learn, आपको मिलेगा stockage learn, add to search and then write recording, again add to search. So सारे recordings आपको यहाँ से मिल जाएंगे. All right. So any questions pertaining to how to put forward your questions in the social platform? Okay, Gaurav sir, I'll share the calendar with you, and so you will be able to understand. I'll share the calendar in some time. Just a second, I'll do it right now. Okay. Now, no more questions like pertaining to the Stockage social platform. If any, please put forward in the chat box. So I'm moving forward from here. So yeah, just share the calendar. So for 1-to-1, whether you can ask the analyst or not. So please I'll ask the support team to get back to you. All right. Yeah, I'll share the calendar in some time. All right. Now let's move to another portion, which is the Edge Insights. Now, Edge Insights क्या है? Simply this portion gets updated EOD basis, and यहाँ पे क्या होता है? We capture any important highlight of the day, both technical as well as fundamental. So at the end of the day, you get to see what are the major happenings in the stock market, right? So if I click on view, so this gets updated EOD. तो आपको यहाँ पे कल का डेट दिख रहा है. So यहाँ पे आपको मिल रहा होगा first LIC, which talks about some chart pattern. Same with SBI, some indicators. I'll focus on the fundamental part. Okay. Yeah. So Adani Port में यहाँ पे कुछ merger demerger related filing आया है. Right? So if I click on this particular arrow, it will take me to that press release. I'll click on that PDF और मुझे वो related press release मिल जाएगा. Merger demerger related. Right? I'll show once again. यहाँ पे अदानी पावर में merger demerger related there was any transaction. If I click on this arrow, it will take me to that particular filing. I'll click on this PDF, and here the PDF where it talks about the demerger and merger. Then below that we get to see similar stocks. Now similar stock is जहां पे demerger merger related कोई भी happening हुआ है, मुझे उस टैब पे लेके जाएगा. So on 4th of June से लेके सारे जितने भी demerger merger related filings है, it will direct me to that particular segment. And as you click on all company filings, it will talk about all the filings that are there, right? So this is about Edge Insights. I'll see another example for the fundamental. Mostly into technical. No, I just can't find right now any fundamental based Edge Insights. Anyways, Fine. So hope I have been able to clear edge insights. Result of the stock. Yeah, just a second. Again, I'll go to that company filing. यहाँ पे आपको रिजल्ट रिलेटेड सारे फाइलिंग्स आपको मिल जाएंगे. एंड अनदर वेरी नाइस फीचर इज, से सपोज अभी तो मोस्टली कंपनीज के रिजल्ट्स पब्लिश हो चुके हैं, डिक्लेयर हो गए हैं. अदरवाइज व्हाट हैपेंस इज, हियर यहाँ पे वी हाईलाइट द अपकमिंग रिजल्ट डेट. As and when the like a particular company approaches its result date, we flash it here, right? Okay. Now we will come to the SME zone. The SME zone talks about, like, there are stocks which are like into the SME, as the name suggests. And what happens is they have liquidity issues and also becomes risky for the investors. So these has been segregated in a separate platform by the exchanges to protect the retail investors. And second is their listing process is somewhat lenient compared to the other companies. So this also makes it somewhat riskier. And the major difference lies in their reporting, in the sense these companies don't come up with their results every quarter. They declare their results on semi-annual basis, like on 6 months basis, right? And you can't buy or sell one single stock in these companies. You have to sell them in lot. They come in lot size. And this lot is inversely proportional to the price of this of any SME stock. That means higher the stock, lower is the lot size, and vice versa. So what is SME zone? SME zones are stocks which are there categorized as SME, and the major concern with these stocks are their liquidity. And since they go through a very lenient listing procedures, so we have to maintain a lot more, we have to be a lot more cautious when we are dealing with these stocks, right? So if we go to this isolation energy, the result segment won't show any data on quarterly basis, but again, it shows on half yearly basis. So you can see it from here. Half yearly wise आपको यहाँ पे results उसके मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन आपको quarterly में कोई data नहीं मिलेगा. Now, again, आपको मैं NSE में show कर सकती हूँ where to see the lot size. Just a second. I'll see any. हाँ. See, the moment you type Gina Seco Life Care Limited, ये आपको यहाँ पे SME दिखा शो कर रहा है. So we get to know कि this trades in SME zone. And फेस वैल्यू के डायरेक्ट नीचे आपको मार्केट लॉट साइज देखने को मिलेगा. सो इसमें मार्केट लॉट इज 180. सो अगर आप इसमें इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो आपको 180 शेयर्स खरीदने पड़ेंगे, और अगर आप बेचोगे भी तो आपको एट वन गो 180 शेयर्स ही बेचने पड़ेंगे, राइट? No, we don't cover SME stocks in the edge reports. Gaurav sir, if you have any query pertaining to the SME stocks, please put forward it in the social platform under the fundamental segment. Okay, I'll pass your request to the concerned team. ठीक है, सो ये था हमारा एसएमई जोन। कोई क्वेश्चन? आई टेक अ मिनट ऑफ 2 or 3 seconds, then I'll move forward. Rakesh sir, what is the lot size? The lot size are the lot size talks about like is the number of shares. जैसे कि आप जब कोई भी शेयर खरीदते हो 1 2 क्वांटिटी, तो लॉट साइज टॉक्स अबाउट द क्वांटिटी। ठीक है, सो जो पहले वाला एग्जांपल मैंने दिखाया था जीना सीखो में, यू हैव टू, आई जस्ट शो इट अगेन, आई गो टू एनएससी। सो 180 लॉट साइज मतलब द नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स। अगर आप जीना सीखो में इन्वेस्ट करोगे, आपको एट वन को 180 शेयर्स खरीदने पड़ेंगे। ठीक है, 180 इंटू दी शेयर प्राइस, राइट? So, Gaurav sir, we don't, as I stated again, we don't prepare reports on SME stocks. For that, you need to post your query in the social platform. And again, if you want to talk on the rating of 30 for all SME and etc., I will pass it on to the relevant team. All right. Okay. Now let's move forward. So we are done till here. If any queries pertaining to the things that we have discussed till here, please forward it in, put it in the chat box. Otherwise, I'll move forward for the last segment. Dipesh sir, for the scanner and everything, or the strategies, or say like the indicators, the technical team will provide the view on the same, right? Then too, I'll ask the support team to help you with the same. It'll be much helpful if you can put it out in the social platform. SME zone हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं विक्रम सर। आप एक्सप्लोर सेगमेंट, हमारे ऐप के एक्सप्लोर सेगमेंट में एफएफआई स्टॉक्स, उसके बाद आपको एसएमई जोन दिखेगा, राइट? एक्सप्लोर में लास्ट रो हमें ये एसएमई जोन मिलेगा, एंड हियर यू गेट टू सी द लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द एसएमई स्टॉक्स। Okay, now let's move to the mutual fund segment. So here again, if you have any questions pertaining to mutual fund, I have shown you where to post your query. Here we will only focus on the features that this particular app provides, right? The major ones. So the first is AMC. अगर हम AMC में click करेंगे, we get the entire list of all AMCs that are there with their AUM and the number of schemes that they have under each of these AMC. So the first we get to see is SBI Mutual Fund, which has an AUM as on 30th April is 9,73,000 crore, and the number of schemes under it is 115, right? Let's hop into it. And the first thing we get to see is ऊपर में आपको देखने को मिलेगा the various categories into this, in the sense equity में है, debt में है, hybrid में है, या others में है. So depending upon your risk, you can keep it like only stick to like equity, if not debt. अगर दोनों में आपको चाहिए exposure, तो you can opt for the hybrid one. So for the time being, let's stick to the equity one. So the first one we get to see is SBI PSU fund. यहाँ पे first में आपको मिलेगा AUM, the NAV, and here you can see adjust timeline wise to get to see the return generated by this particular fund, right? Now let's hop into it and see what all features are there. So सबसे पहले आपको NAV का चार्ट मिलेगा, where you get to see how the NAV has performed month wise. 1 month है, 3 month है, 2, 3 years, 5 years. ठीक है? So we can get to see the NAV performance has been quite healthy. right? Then we will go to see the performance. Again, यहाँ पे आपको performance देखने को मिल रहा है. Then is the holding. Now the first one, it talks about domestic equities, that is equity and cash equivalents. तो यहाँ पे हमें देखने को मिल रहा है कि the entire exposure is towards domestic equity. There is nothing into liquid assets, right? Then we hop into the domestic equity. So हमें यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है what all major companies are there, right? और उसमें कितना एक्सपोजर है. होल्डिंग आपको एक्सपोजर बताता है कितना एक्सपोजर है. एंड अगेन ये टाइमलाइन यहाँ पे अगर आप टॉगल करोगे, से सपोज मैं मई में जाती हूँ, सो मई में ट्रेंड में 4.8% था, एंड अगर हम अप्रैल में जाते हैं तो वो बढ़ के 5% हुआ है. सो ये चेंज भी आप यहाँ से स्टडी कर पाएंगे, राइट? इस चेंज को भी आप यहाँ से स्टडी कर पाएंगे और आपको समझ में आएगा कि एक्सपोजर कहाँ है. Now we get to see the AUM, how the AUM has fared from May 2023 to April 24. So over the last 12 months, how the AUM has moved. Okay? Then we come to see which manager is handling this. Uski number of experience kya hai? And if I click on this, I get to see what all other schemes are there that are being managed by him and how their AUM has performed. So this is a very crucial information which is essential to check before making, like going in for any fund, right? So this one should always look into the performance of the fund manager, because at the end of the day, he's the one who will be handling your money, correct? So this is what the AMCs talk about. Now, यहाँ पे हम और एक देखेंगे स्कीम्स, सॉरी क्लासेस. सो अगर हम क्लासेस में जाएंगे, सो वी गेट टू सी, से सपोज अगर मुझे सिर्फ लार्ज कैप में ही एक्सपोजर चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे अगर हम क्लिक करेंगे, आई विल गेट टू सी ऑल द फंड्स दैट आर देयर अंडर द लार्ज कैप कैटेगरी. ठीक है? अदर देन दैट मुझे कोई और स्कीम्स नहीं मिलेगा. सिमिलरली अगर मुझे ETFs में जाना है, नाउ अगेन ETFs का कैटेगराइजेशन है ETF इंडेक्स और ETF वेरियस इंडेक्स फंड्स. सो ETFs में अगर हम जाएंगे तो हमें यहाँ पे सारे ETFs के लिस्ट मिल जाएंगे, राइट? ठीक है? एंड सेम वे में वी कैन चेक दी परफॉर्मेंस. सेक्टोरल फंड्स भी है, डिविडेंड यील्ड फंड है, थीमेटिक फंड है. सो हियर यू कैन सी सेक्टर फंड्स भी है. सो ऑल आर लिस्टेड आउट हियर. नाउ एज वी हैव सीन, इक्विटी में थीम्स था, म्यूचुअल फंड में भी थीम्स है, वेयर वी हैव कैटेगराइज सर्टेन स्कीम्स अंडर दोज थीम्स. से सपोज अगर फर्स्ट में हम टैक्स सेविंग इन्वेस्टमेंट में क्लिक करेंगे, सो अ लिटिल बिट ओवरव्यू, एंड वी कैन गेट टू सी द वेरियस स्कीम्स दैट आर लिस्टेड आउट हियर. सो अगर थीम वाइज हमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, सो दिस हेल्प्स अस देयर. से सपोज अगर मुझे जस्ट मॉडरेट रिस्क चाहिए, सो वी कैन see which all are schemes that has moderate risk. मुझे वो लिस्ट यहां से मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? सो एंड वन मोर थिंग इज, जस्ट लाइक IPO, यहाँ पे NFO का भी सेगमेंट है. NFO talks about new fund offerings, so you can get to see what are the new funds that are there upcoming, ongoing and on recent basis, right? So this is the NFO segment. I'll quickly take questions. I'll show where you can find the CAGR return. I'll again show the fine. One after the other, I'll take the questions. Okay, so the first one is how to put query in the social platform, right? So here you see, यहाँ पे 9 dots है, हम लोग यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे. The moment we click, हमें यहाँ पे StockX social शो कर रहा है, हम लोग उसमें जाएंगे. यहाँ पे आपको वेरियस क्लब्स मिल रहे हैं. से सपोज मुझे फंडामेंटल क्लब में क्वेरी पोस्ट करना है. से सपोज मुझे पोस्ट करना है व्यू ऑन ब्रिटानिया. सो मैं सिंपली लिखूंगी व्यू ऑन, एंड यहाँ पे हम लोग डॉलर टैगिंग करते हैं. द मोमेंट आई डू डॉलर, मुझे ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट मिलेगा. आई टाइप ब्रिटानिया, क्लिक, एंड सिंपली अगेन क्लिक ऑन पोस्ट. तो मेरा यहाँ पे ये क्वेरी पोस्ट हो गया. Now the experts or the analysts, they will revert within the next 48 hours. ठीक है? So this is how you post your query on the social platform. Second query was on CAGR return, right? So I'll go to the equity segment. So I'll go to the result segment. The first thing I want to show is सारे यहाँ पे QOQ YOY बेसिस पे रिटर्न्स कैलकुलेटेड रहते हैं. ठीक है? नेट सेल्स, एबिडा का भी QOQ YOY, एबिडा मार्जिन भी कैलकुलेटेड रहता है, बोथ फॉर क्वार्टरली एज वेल एज एनुअल बेसिस. यहाँ पे रेशियोज भी कैलकुलेटेड रहते हैं. सो वी डोंट हैव टू कैलकुलेट मैन और आवर ओन. हमारे पास रेडीमेड ये मिलता है. अगेन दे आर सेट ऑफ रेशियोज, जैसे एफिशिएंसी के अंडर सर्टेन रेशियोज है. ठीक है? सिमिलरली सॉल्वेंसी के अंदर रेशियोज है. सो ये आपको प्री कैलकुलेटेड मिल जाते हैं इन आवर ऐप. नाउ कम्स द क्वेश्चन ऑन कैगर. सो फॉर दैट जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस ग्रोथ पैटर्न, एंड मोमेंट यू डू दैट, आपको TTM बेसिस, 3-year बेसिस, 5-year बेसिस एंड 10-year बेसिस आपको कैगर कैलकुलेटेड मिलता है. नेट सेल्स, एबिडा, प्रॉफिट, नेट प्रॉफिट. ठीक है? एंड यू क्लिक, आपको यहाँ पे ये ग्राफ मिलेगा. तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रेंड, हाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपनीज टॉप लाइन हैज ग्रोन ओवर द इयर्स. सो व्हाट वी गेट टू नो इज कि यहाँ पे 3-year, 5-year और 10-year बेसिस पे कैगर कैलकुलेटेड है. So for here, I won't any questions pertaining to future outlook on any particular company, Bank Nifty outlook. Please post your query on the social platform, right? So I think there are no more questions pertaining to today's session. If I'll wait for a few minutes more, I'll take your queries and then I'll wrap today's session. Okay, I'll repeat CAGR once again. हम ब्रिटानिया टाइप किए, ब्रिटानिया में हम गए, रिजल्ट्स के बाद आया रेशियोज, रेशियोज के बाद आया ग्रोथ पैटर्न. ग्रोथ पैटर्न में आपको TTM बेसिस, 3 साल, 3-year बेसिस, 5-year बेसिस एंड 10-year बेसिस के अकॉर्डिंगली बोथ सेल्स, एबिडा, नेट प्रॉफिट का आपको कैगर ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट करके दिया हुआ है, राइट? सो यू डोंट हैव टू कैलकुलेट ऑन योर ओन. वी हैव गिवन यू ऑन रेडीमेड बेसिस, already pre-calculated, right? Okay, so since there are no more questions, I'll just wrap today's Kamlesh sir, can you just help me understand your question? And we don't have that for MF. I understood what you are talking about. At present, we don't have it for that MF. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Hope I have been able to clarify most of your queries, if not all. Any questions you have pertaining to today's session or say to any company specific, please do post it in the social platform. Thank you and have a nice day. Good night.